Alright, back again with the update on the room. We just got the sheetrock up in the ceiling, the new sheetrock. So it looks better. Now I am going to use a joint and compound, go over the joints and all the screw holes. And then I'm going to prime everything on the ceiling and then finish priming like around the corners where I didn't get with a smaller brush. So that's what I'm working on now. It's going pretty good so far. Alright, I'm done with working for today. I patched up the corner over here. It was missing a piece of sheetrock. It was all out of whack. So I cut one in. I'm going to leave that hole up there open. But anyway, cut a piece of sheetrock in here. Try and work on it some more tomorrow. Tried filling the gap here with tape and stuff. Putty. So yeah, it's taking shape. Slowly but surely. It'll be a pretty cool computer room when it's done, I think. Should look pretty nice. It's already looking way nicer. Alright, here we go again. My friend Tim come over today and used his wide 10-inch putty knife to smooth out these tape lines, make them a little wider and stuff. Really appreciate it. Did a good job. And then I went ahead and patched up all the little pinholes and stuff. I never should have primed right away. That was my mistake. But now just have to let all this stuff dry. And then tomorrow I will sand everything down and prime it, prime everything. And then the next day, Saturday, should be able to paint everything. So yeah, should be just about ready. It's taking shape, looking a lot better than it was. Can't wait to see it when it's all done. Alright, all the hard work starting to pay off. Got everything finished sanded and primed, just ready for paint now. It's actually pretty rewarding once you see everything taking shape finally. No, it's not the nicest room, but hey, whatever. It's a room anyway. Yeah, compared to where we started, it looks a lot better though. Alright, finished up 10 o'clock again roughly. So every night this week it's been about 10, 11 o'clock when I've got done. So, but it's alright. It's a weekend now, so I should be able to get up early tomorrow morning and start painting, get it all done. Okay, later. Alright, I got the room all done painted, so let's see what you think. Went with a dark gray on the ceiling and a dark red on the walls. And I just threw on a couple little rugs for now. Still got to finish trimming out the top for paint, but for now it's pretty good.